Never buy a Christmas tree again. Do this and save a ton of money. First, find an old umbrella you're no longer using. We'll transform this into the tree's base. Start by removing the bottom piece using a blade to carefully detach it. With that part off, the umbrella will open fully and be easier to work with. Next, take off the fabric that covers the ribs by cutting it away. Once the umbrella is bare, firmly pull the lower part to loosen and remove any remaining attachment. Mark that spot using a pencil for guidance. After marking, grab a nail and hammer to make a small hole where you marked earlier. Place a screw through this hole to keep the umbrella securely open, so it won't accidentally close while setting up or decorating. This stability will make the umbrella an excellent base for your DIY tree. Next, gather 2 styrofoam pieces to create a sturdy stand. With a round container and a pencil, trace a circle onto each styrofoam piece. Use a blade to cut out the circles. You'll need 2 of these because one won't provide enough thickness for stable support. Then, use the umbrella handle to trace another circle in the center of the styrofoam so the handle can easily fit through it. Carefully cut out this smaller circle and test how the umbrella fits in the styrofoam to ensure it stands securely. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Start by attaching Christmas garlands around the base of the umbrella. Secure the garlands with zip ties at the bottom to keep them in place. Work your way up, wrapping the garlands around the ribs until they cover the entire umbrella structure. Adjust as needed to make sure the garlands create a full, lush look. I'll speed up this part of the video so you don't get bored. Once it's completely covered, your umbrella should now look more like a holiday tree. Now, take a string of Christmas lights and start attaching them from the top of the umbrella, wrapping around as you go down. The lights will add a beautiful glow and bring the whole tree to life. After the lights are in place, it's time to add ornaments. Take off the caps from the ornaments and secure them directly to the branches made by the umbrella ribs. I chose gold and red for a classic holiday look, but you can select any colors to match your style. To add even more charm, consider using additional small decorations to fill any empty spaces. Finally, place the 2 styrofoam circles on top of each other and cover them with a tree skirt, leaving the center hole visible. Insert the umbrella handle into the styrofoam base, secure everything, and plug in the lights. Top it off with a star, and you've just created a stunning, budget-friendly Christmas tree that's ready to impress all season long.